Helen likes buying online. Today, she's received a delivery from the online shop, and she notices an eye-catching label and a QR code around which states, "Thanks for shopping at the online shop. Simply scan the code to claim your gift." When Helen places her phone camera over the QR code, to her surprise, a message pops up with instructions on how to claim her gift. Helen downloads the Delloop app and registers as a Delloop member. And logs in. She then clicks on the scan icon, rescans the code, and a new screen pops up showing her free gift called an incentive, which says, "Congratulations, enjoy free shipping on a future order." Helen finds the Delloop mobile app very easy to use. In My Purchases, she can see an image of the product or products she bought, when and where she bought them, and check their status. She can click on each one to see the full details of the product and transaction. When a product is delivered, its status changes from being an outstanding order to a purchase. In Purchases, Helen can see a comprehensive list of previous purchases from all the online stores where she has shopped.
The status changes and updates that Helen sees reflect exactly what is happening as the order processes through the retailer's online store. If there's an issue with dispatching Helen's product and the order needs to be put on hold, for example, the retailer's update is automatically displayed in Helen's Delloop app.
Coming soon to Delloop is voice enablement. Alexa, ask Delloop to tell me the status of my current orders.
Delloop tells me that you have one outstanding order from Grey Gizmos. The status of this order is on hold.
When Helen is at the computer, she uses the Delloop web app, which works exactly the same as the mobile app. When she goes to her personal dashboard, she sees a visual representation of her product warranties. As she hovers over the warranty graph, she can see how many products she's purchased that have warranties, and the colour coding shows which are still in warranty, which are close to expiring, and those where the warranty has already expired. When Helen clicks on a section of the graph, it takes her to a list of those products. She can see full details of each product and transaction. So if Helen decides she wants to recycle the out-of-warranty product and buy a new one, she simply clicks on the product and then scrolls down to click the Buy It Again button. This takes her automatically to the store where she bought it, so she can quickly and easily buy the product again. Coming soon to the member dashboard will be more graphs showing useful purchasing information for the member, such as spending patterns and types of purchases. Helen also buys from a store called Grey Gizmos. One day when a parcel arrives, she scans the QR code, receives her incentive, but when she opens the parcel, she sees the package is damaged. Helen goes straight to the delivery issue section of the app. She clicks on Package Damaged and goes to the next step. From the drop-down menus, she selects the retailer, the purchase, and the product. She then takes a photo of the packaging and next writes a short message about the problem. Finally, she reviews the information and presses send.
In the background, a packet of information is sent to the retailer with all the customer and order information. As the delivery issue selected was a damaged product, Helen's message is automatically routed to the correct resolution team, who can now quickly and easily look into the issue. The Grey Gizmos team quickly messages Helen saying, "We're sorry your package arrived damaged. We will come back to you quickly with a solution."
Helen can see the retailer's reply in the message area, She messages them to say thank you, and later the retailer messages her back with an update. A replacement product will be dispatched tomorrow. Helen can see a list of all the messages she's exchanged with every retailer in case she ever needs to revisit them.
For the retailer, they also have a comprehensive record of customer messages for future reference. This information also forms part of the data collected by Delloop, which provides valuable trends and insights for the retailer. In this case, it may provide data about problems with certain types of packaging, common customer complaints, or ongoing delivery problems.
6 months later, Helen thinks the fabric of one of the items of clothing she bought has faded. She can't remember where she bought it, but finds it easily by looking at the pictures in her list of previous purchases. She uses the queries section of the Delloop app to message the retailer for help, then uploads a close-up photo to show the colour of the fabric. She types a short message, reviews the information, and presses send.
Just as for the delivery issue, in the background, Delloop sends a packet of information to the retailer, identifying the customer, details of the order, and the product. It's routed to the after-sales support team at the online shop, who reply that they are looking into the issue.
Helen can see the query she wrote and the replies from the retailer in her query list, which keeps a comprehensive history of past queries. Helen also wants to visit the Grey Gizmo store in town, so she sends a query about their opening hours through the Delloop app. All she does is add a query, selects General Inquiry, chooses the retailer, and types her question about opening hours and presses send. Helen is happy that she's been able to easily contact the retailers she shops with without searching for email addresses or having to contact a call centre, and she hasn't had to identify herself or search for order numbers. It's all been done automatically for her. When Helen decides to go shopping online, she saves time by using the Favourite Stores section of the Delloop app. Here she can see a list of her top stores. As she's placing her order, she remembers that she has the free shipping incentive that she can use. At the checkout, because she is a Delloop member, she receives priority checkout, where all the fields fill in automatically. She applies her free shipping incentive to the order and finalises it. It's super quick and easy. Every time Helen receives a delivery, she will receive an incentive. So over time, Helen will have a list of incentives from different stores which she can use as she chooses. In future versions of the Delloop app, there'll be an incentives marketplace where Delloop members can swap and trade their incentives to find those most appropriate to their needs. Incentives include things like discounts, free shipping, buy one get one free, etc.
The following process is how the retailer puts the incentive together. They select a title for the incentive, the category, decide on which products it is applicable to, and other various fields, including a description of the incentive. The other option is for the retailer to offer points as an incentive. Delloop members can accumulate these incentive points and use them in their choice of store at a later date. The retailer decides where the points are applicable, in terms of products and the amount of spend. The retailer can view a draft of their incentive, and when they're ready, they can publish it. In future versions of Delloop, there will be an option for third parties to participate in the Delloop incentive program. Another aspect of Delloop's market reach is the ability for retailers to send alerts and special offers to the entire Delloop membership base. An alert is a general marketing or promotional message from a store. It might be an announcement about a sale, an invitation, a product or service preview. It might even be a warning about a product recall. The member can click to read the full details and, if the retailer has provided it, a link. They can click the link to visit the website. In the case of a special offer, the retailer may want to test a new product or run out an old one, and they can use the Delloop's permission-based marketing to reach the exact customer profile that they want to target. A special offer would go to qualified prospects in their own customer base, but could also be sent to the same target across the entire Delloop membership pool. This introduces potentially new customers to a brand that would be a good fit for them. From the Delloop retailer dashboard, the special offer is set up in a similar way to the incentives.
Helen receives a special offer from a store she doesn't recognise. She loves the look of the product. It's a sports shoe similar to the one she normally buys, but a different brand. She decides to find out more about this model of shoe, so she clicks on the special offer and it takes her to the store's product page.
When a retailer first registers as a Delloop partner retailer, they have access to a dedicated dashboard where they can manage direct communications from customers in the bidirectional messaging platform. These include messages regarding delivery issues and a range of queries such as technical support, post and pre-sale inquiries. In the retailer dashboard, they can initiate very precise marketing to a targeted customer profile. Being Delloop partner retailers, they can not only market to their own customer base, but also to the entire Delloop membership base. In this area, they can create the incentives that their customers receive when they scan packages at the delivery point. They can also create specific alerts and special offers to encourage existing customers to stay connected and to invite and entice new members to their brand. In the dashboard is also an Insights menu. The Insights include a group of graphs that indicate the status of 4 basic data sets: age ranges, gender mix, average sale per price per order per gender, and one showing the number of incentives that have been scanned at the point of delivery. However, these insights can be customized and distilled to a very precise level to provide a range of in-depth analytics.